Welcome to all of you BSc third year students, and good morning to you. During last part of our study, we have studied about the semester 6th paper 15, fisheries economics, marketing, cooperatives and extension. In this paper we have seen the first point, definitions of fishery economics. Then we have seen the principles of fishery economics. Then in third part we have seen terms in fishery economics. In these terms in fishery economics, we have seen what is meant by goods, what is the economic goods, what is the free goods, what is the perishable goods, durable goods, consumers goods, as well as the producers goods. All these terms, these are to be seen in part 3rd, especially terms in fishery economics. Now today's part, the next term which is to be used, or the next part which is to be studied, that part is the terms in fishery economics, that is utility. The term utility, what is meant by utility, and which are the different types of utility which is to be used or occurred in this fish marketing, cooperatives and fishery economics. These utilities, these are to be, we have discussed, we have studied in this part, in this section. What is meant by utility? Utility may be defined as utility is the economist way measuring pleasure or happiness. Utility is the economist way measuring pleasure or happiness and how it relates to the decisions that people make. How this pleasure, happiness, these are to be relates to the decisions that people make. It is called as the utility. Or utility may be defined as, it is an economic term referring to the total satisfaction received from the consuming a good or service, called as the utility. Utility may be defined as, it is an economic term referring to the total satisfaction of consumers which is to be received from the consuming any activity, consuming any good or any service. Whether that good, that service, these are to be totally consumed by the consumed, then the utility is to be good, the utility is to be best. That consuming activity is called as the utility. Or another ways, utility may be want satisfying capacity. Utility may be want satisfying capacity in a commodity is called as utility. Those satisfying capacity of human being, these are to be occur. That satisfying capacity of that commodity, that service, is called as utility. Or another definition, utility may be defined as the state of being usefulness, profitable or beneficial thing of commodity. It is called as utility. What is meant by utility? Utility may be defined as the state of being usefulness. How usefulness, that commodity, that goods, that commodity, that goods, that is to be profitable or beneficial thing of commodity, it is called as utility. Utility is a term used by economists. Utility is a term used by economists to describe the measurement of usefulness that a consumer obtains from any goods, called as utility. Means number of definitions put forth, number of ways, number of manners, but the main theme is to be satisfaction of that commodity to the consumer is called as the utility. Means utility is a term used by economists to describe the measurement of usefulness that a consumer obtains from any goods called as utility. No commodity possesses utility in itself. Remember that. No any commodity, no any goods possesses utility itself. It is the consumer's mind that gives utility. No any goods, no any commodity, no any part, no any product has its utility itself, but it is to be depend upon the consumer's mind, and it gives the utility of the consumers. Utility is a subjective thing and it is differ. Utility is a subjective thing and it is differ from consumer to consumer. This utility is to be different, this utility is to be variable, it is to be separate from consumer to consumer, it is to be different from one consumer to another consumer. Means a goods, a product, a commodity, these are the same, but its utility is to be different depending upon the consumer to consumer. By changing the form, by changing the form, by changing the place, by changing the time, the thing or commodity, the thing or commodity or service, the utility of that commodity, that thing, that service can be changed. Means any goods, any product which is to be purchased, which is to be purchasing by consumers, it is to be depend upon its form, its place and its time. In which place it is to be purchased, in which time it is to be purchased. Means form, place and time, it is the most important thing. It can be changed the utility of that product, utility of that goods. If we can change the fish, if we can change the form of fish flesh, it becomes the fried food of the fish, it becomes the fried food of the fish. The utility becomes changed when we change from form of fish, a fish flesh into fish curry, then its utility becomes changed. Means flesh utility is to be different, fish fry utility is to be different, fish curry utility is to be different, fish roast utility is to be different. Means the product is the same, that is fish flesh, but when we can convert it into fish curry, fish roast, then fish fry, then its utility is to be different, its utility is to be changed. Means form, place and time, these are to be depend upon the, these are to be most important thing to change the utility manner. The utility are of following types or forms. Utility are of following types. Utility, these are to be seen, these utility, these are of different following times. These utility, these are of different following time, these are of different types. Which are these different types of utility? First, form utility. First is the form utility. First is the, this is the form utility. What is the form utility? When any commodity, any goods or any product itself own create a form, itself own create a form, and that form is called as the form utility. That form is called as the form utility. Any commodity creates a specific form and it creates a separate utility. It is called as form utility. It is called as the form utility. What is the form utility? These form utility, these are to be called, any commodity create a specific form and it creates separate utility. It is called as form utility. For example, fish in its original form has utility. Fisherman, common man, those are for interest to eat fish, they can purchase. If the fish liver of, or if liver of fish is used as preparation of liver oil, utility of that liver oil is to be changed. If the air bladder is to be removed and when it is to be become changes, its preparation of different purposes, then its utility is to be different. Means utility of fish flesh or the liver body, these are to be depending upon its form. Those form which is to be used by consumers. Or another example is chunk in its original form. Chunk ज्याला आपण शंख म्हणतो, शंख. A chunk in its original form has its utility as a blowing as trumpet in temple. मंदिरामध्ये देवळामध्ये आपण पूजा केल्यानंतर जो वाजवायचा शंख असतो त्याचा उद्देश काय की चांगला ध्वनी निर्माण व्हावा आणि देवाला जागृत करण्यासाठी म्हणून आपण तो चांग किंवा तो शंख वापरतो. बट वेन धिस चांग इज टू बी प्रिपेअर्ड इन टू लाईम, इट इज टू बी बर्न, जेव्हा आपण त्याला जाळतो त्याला क्रश करतो, देन इट्स युटिलिटी इज टू बी कन्वर्टेड इन टू लाईम. अँड वेन धिस लाईम, व्हॉट इज द यूज ऑफ लाईम? इट इज टू बी मेंटेन द pH ऑफ वॉटर. This lime is to be useful for different medicine. This lime is to be useful for different other medicine purposes. Means its utility is to be different. In temple, its utility is to be different. Lime, its utility is to be different. The product is the chang. Similar fashion, that is form. Which form? Which form? Or another example, that is the prawn. We can see prawn. When we can use prawn as a product, when used as a prawn curry, its utility is to be different, price is to be low. But when this prawn is to be roasted, its utility is to be different, price is to be more. Means form utility. Form utility, when any commodity, any goods, any product itself only create a form, and that form is called as the form utility. This is the first type. Second type, that is the place utility. Place utility, by changing the place of commodity, its utility becomes changes, and it is called as place utility. By changing the place of commodity, its utility becomes changes, and it is called as place utility. What is meant by place utility? A commodity may not have utility at one place, but the same commodity are at another place, it has great utility, called as place utility. Another important, for example, freshwater prawn as Macrobrachydon rosenbergi has no utility in Jintur fish market, but when it is transported to the Mumbai, transported to the Aurangabad or other countries as well as the metropolitan cities, it has great utility. It has great utility. Means the prawn has the same prawn, Macrobrachydon rosenbergi. Its utility in Jintur market is zero because its price is to be more. But when it is to be transported to Mumbai, transported to the other countries or Aurangabad, Kolkata, then its utility is to be more. Means place utility. Means one place some product have no utility, in other place product has the more utility. Or another example, in lower class people there is great utility for small and wild fishes or species. Those fishes which is to be captured in Jinturi, Yelldari Dam, Jinturi areas, these wild and small fishes have a good market value, great utility for common people, for law people. But when same fishes, when same species, these are to be transported to other cities, metropolitan cities or high class people, they have no value. They have fish have no a utility because the people, those are high class. The people which is to be higher standards, in high class restaurant, such demand of such small and wild fishes is to be not occur, and hence value is to be less, utility is to be less. Means fish is to the same, small sized wild species in lower class people, in lower areas such as Jinturi areas, it have great utility. But same species, these are to be transported to other place, then it have a no utility. It have a no utility. Similarly, that is in our areas, the kaju, badam, these are the peanut or the groundnut. Its utility is to be different from the high class people, because high class people they can use cashews, then these kaju badam as a dry fruits. But in lower class people only groundnut used as a seeds of groundnut, these are to be used as a like a cash, that is like a cashew, like a peanut. Means value is to be place to place, it is to be different, it is to be variable. which is to be seen, it is called as the place utility. Second is the place utility. Then third is the time utility. Third is the time utility. Time utility, when a time shows its effect on the utility of the product. When a time shows its effect on the utility of the product, then it is called as time utility. When time determines the importance and usefulness of any commodity, it is called as time utility. For example, when fishes reach in market in proper time, early in the morning, then they will have a good price. Every consumers purchase that fish when it is to be entered in proper time, in proper way. It have a good price. But fishes not reach in market in proper time. Early in the morning fishes, these are to be not reach, but fishes these are to be reach in the afternoon period. They have not market price, and it become, because it is to be improper time. Means early in the morning people can cooking, people can eating early in the morning. That's why price is to be more, and it is to be easily sold in the market. But when it is to be entered in the afternoon time, it have less selling activity as well as less price, no good market price. Hence time utility is to be important. Means time determines its utility. It is to be beneficial, that can be purchased. It is to be not beneficial, it cannot be purchased. It is called as the time utility. That is the third part, or the third types of utility is the time utility. Then fourth is the total utility. This is fourth, total utility. So what is meant by total utility? Total utility may be defined as the total quantity of satisfaction derived by a consumer after consumption of all units of commodity. Total utility may be defined as the total quantity of satisfaction derived by a consumer after consumption of small units of commodity at a particular time, at a particular price of that commodity, is called as the total utility. The total utilities depend upon the consumption of the commodity by a person at a particular time for a specific price of commodity, called as the total utility. What is meant by total utility? The total utility may be defined as total quantity of satisfaction derived by a consumer after consumption of all quantity of goods, all quantity of product in a particular time, in a particular price, and that particular time, particular price, that commodity has a total utility. Or another way, the total utility is to be depend upon the consumption of the commodity by a person at a particular time for a specific price of commodity, called as the total utility. It is called as total utility. Yes, these are the important four types. Total utility, just we have seen, is all products, these are to be seen, these are to be consumed. See, this is the table. Table shows total utility after consumption of a commodity at a particular time, at a particular place. First row, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row, this is second row, this is first row, this is third, and this is fourth. Second row, person A, B, C, D and E. Number of units. Third row, number of units consumed and total utility. In this table it shows that, what is the table? Serial number 1 consumed, person A consumed 1 units, total utility is 220. Person B consumes 2 units, its total utility is 240. Person C consumes 3 units, its total utility is to be 60. Person D consumes 4 units, its total utility is to be 80. And person E consumes 5 units, its total utility is to be 100. Means consumption of all units by a particular person, particular time, particular price, that consumption of all these units, it is called as the total utility. It is called as the total utility. Yes, table shows total utility after consumption of a commodity at a particular means this table shows that person, number of units and total utility. A person consumes number of units 1, total utility is 220. B consumes 2, multiply by 2 multiply by 20, 40. C consumes 3, 3 multiply by 20, 60. D consumes 4, 4 multiply by 20, 80. And 5 multiply by 20, 100. Means total utility is to be shown in this manner, in this form. From the above table, it is clearly seen that the total utility after consumption of 5th unit is 100. If D person consumes only 4 units, then he will have total 80 total utility. If a person C consumes only 3 units, then he will have 60 total utility. Or when the person B consumes only 2 units, its total utility is to be 40. Or the person A consumes only 1 unit, its total utility is to be 20. Means it is hence clear that the total utility is to be depend upon the consumption of the commodity by any person at a particular time for a specific price of commodity. It is called as the total utility. It is called as the total utility. Then next is the service utility. When any commodity of a utility in the form of service fulfill the satisfaction of the human wants, called as the service utility. Means when any commodity, any goods or any service in the form of service fulfill a complete satisfaction by human wants, then it is to be called as the service utility. When fish utility provides service from place to place, then it is to be called as service utility. Fishes, these are to be sold from Jintur market, sold to the Parbhani market, sold to the Aurangabad market within time, then it is to be called as service utility. And no fishes, these are to be available in market, no service is to be occur, then service utility is to be not seen, not occur. Then marginal utility, when any commodity of a utility derived from the margin of a commodity in the total commodity, then it is called as marginal utility. When any commodity of a utility derived from the margin of a commodity, total commodity, then it is called as marginal utility. The rate of increase in total utility is determined by the marginal utility. Marginal utility goes on decreasing as the number of units of commodity consumed go on increasing, and when the marginal utility is to be 0, total utility is to be maximum. Means any commodity of a service goods derived from the margin, that total commodity it is to be called as the marginal utility. The rate of increase in total utility is to be determined by the marginal utility, and marginal utility goes on decreasing as the number of units of commodity consumed go on increasing. Marginal utility is to be decreased, the total commodity is to be increasing, and when it is to be marginal utility is to be 0, total utility is to be maximum. Means this utility, these are to be important, these are to be seen. When the marginal utility is to be 0, the total utility is maximum. Law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility. This is what is meant by law of diminishing marginal utility. The law can be stated that the additional benefit which is in a person derives from a given increase in stock of anything, diminishing with the growth of the stock he has. That is called as law of diminishing marginal utility. What is the law of? The additional benefits which is a person derives from a given increase in a stock of anything, any commodity, diminishing with the growth of the stock, it has been found, it is called as the law of diminishing marginal utility. It is very important law in consumption. Importance of this diminishing law is, as this law has very immense use in almost every life of human beings, as the law is used in taxation, the law is used in determination of price, the law is used in household expenditure, this law is used in various economics such as laws of demand, laws of elasticity, Laws of supply means this law of diminishing marginal utility, it is to be important, means the additional benefits which is a person derives from a given increase in the stock of anything diminishing with the growth of the stock he has been offered. Means as marginal additional unit we can purchase, marginal benefit these are to be offered. Marginal units we do not purchase, the benefit these are to be not offered. That's why marginal benefit these are to be seen, these are to be studied here. Yes, with this we have seen, we have completed, that is the utility. Utility, it has different forms. Utility has its own specific importance, and this utility these are to be most useful for the study of fishery economics. Hope you have understood. Any problem, any difficulties, please ask. Up to here in this part we have seen the utility. In next part we have seen next. Thank you all of you.